A lot of people are very confused about Social Security. So they think, oh, I'm allowed to take it at 62. Give me my money. They took it out of my paycheck my whole life. I want it now. And they sign up for Social Security as soon as they're legally able. Unless you're disabled, that age would be 62. Then they talk to somebody or they watch a video and they find out that they should not have done that because they're taking a much smaller amount. You're only getting 70% of the benefit that you could get if you wait till your full retirement age. And for those people born after 1960, that would be 67. And if you want to know your full retirement age, you can ask us in the comments, call us, and we'll tell you. So if you wait till your full retirement age, you can get 100% of your benefit. And that benefit is based on your 35 highest years of earnings. So some people are like, well, I'm making the most money right now. I'm 65 and I'm at the height of my career. And when I started off in my 20s, I was working minimum wage, bagging groceries. So if I want to work another couple years, it will erase those 3 low years when I first started 35 years ago. And then that will raise my entire benefit that I will then get for the rest of my life. So I don't want to take it at 62. And a lot of people realize at 62 that if they want to continue to work and they earn over approximately $19,000 a year, that it's going to be a trade-off, and for every dollar they earn, they're going to lose dollars in benefits. So they took it at 62, but they didn't want to. Can they get a do-over? Yes, you can. Social Security gives you a one-time do-over as long as you haven't been on Social Security longer than 12 months, okay? So if you're one of the people that made a mistake and is watching this video that hasn't been over 12 months, you can fix it. You can stop your Social Security. You have to pay all the money back, okay? You're gonna have to write them a check for all the money back. And if you were also on Medicare at that point, then you would have to pay back your Medicare. If there were any taxes, you had to pay it back. You got to pay back all that money and you have to file this form. And then you're good to go to continue to work full time, and you can hopefully reach your full retirement age. Or you might want to be one of the people that says, I want to keep working till 70. Because if you work past your full retirement age up to 70, you can make up to 124% benefit. And then you lock in at 70. There's no advantage to working past 70. You're not going to keep building your benefit. So take Social Security by 70, and that amount will be locked in for the rest of your life. If you have more questions about Social Security or Medicare, please call my family here at the Medicare Family. It never costs to work with an agent. We're free. Our consultations are free. You can email us, call us, hit us in the comments. We'd love to help you. If you like these videos, consider subscribing. We do a video every week to help all of you with your crazy, confusing questions about retirement.